Hey, welcome back to Big Dough. So what is overtrading? When you plan for like 4 trades in a day but you end up making 8 trades, then my friend, you're overtrading. Let me know in the comment section if you ever been in such a situation. Well, how does overtrading happens? Majorly, it is when your ego collides with the market. And I'ma tell you, whenever anything that collides with market always wins. Nothing can beat the market. You should understand this fact. As a matter of fact, just write it on a paper and stick it where you can see it every day.
Can't defeat me.
Nobody wins with the market. You have to go with the market and always with the market. Never go against the market. If you go against the market, you might get lucky once or twice, but that my friend, that journey is such a wrong journey, and I really indulge you not to take it. Now let's talk about practical terms. How does overtrading happen? Well, it starts with you making a plan. You're planning out how you're gonna trade this way, how you're gonna avoid the no trading zone, how you're gonna catch the long trending one. And when you take the trade, you got your stop loss hits, but you do not sell it. Okay, you do not exit the trade. You let the stop loss go a little bit behind or a little bit go down. So you are totally sure, you're very confident about your plan and your execution and your move, your observation, your strategies. You are very much proud of it, and you know that you're doing it right. Market is going to come in your favor. But what happens after that? You lose 5 times the amount of money that you planned. So then your mind gets triggered. Your mind goes from alive mode to revenge mode, and it wants to take a good chunk out of a profit from the market. But your mind is like, okay, this cannot happen to me. I believe that this move is gonna come, and the move comes, and your move that you planned, it comes, but after a time. But at that time, your mind is not stable. So first of all, your mind is not stable. You had a big loss, and now you have to at least minimize the loss or nullify the loss. That means you're gonna have to put the loss to 0. So you start doing what traders don't like to do mostly. That is scalping. You scalp a lot, like you planned for like 4 trades, but now you are taking 8 trades. The most important thing about scalping is you need to have a good mindset, a calm mindset. But you just had a loss, and therefore your mind is not stable, because scalping is the only strategy that requires a rapid decision making skills. And for that rapid decision making skill, you need to have a calm mind, because you're trading in multiple lots. Those kind of lots are like very scary, but you have to nullify or minimize the loss. So scalping is done and you lost more than you expected. Sometimes you get successful to nullify your net PNL of the day. Kudos to you, but don't do this every day. You will lose it. You will lose your whole money. However, sometimes you do not. You get unsuccessful, but that's what you call you. However you did it, however you nullified your day's PNL, however you did it, you did overtrade, and that is injurious in long term, and it will be an infectious disease that you're gonna have to cure in the long run if you're not addicted. Well, how to stop overtrading? This is the important part. Well, first of all, as soon as you take your trade in, as soon as you hit the buy order, as soon as that, like not even take 5 seconds or 6 seconds, just set the stop loss, just put the stop loss and be done with it. Just put the stop loss. You will be thankful to me if the market goes against you or market goes south. Please put the stop loss. Secondly, the stop loss amount that you have set should be the amount that you are okay to lose. They always say cut the losses, but when you should cut the loss? There is no rule. This is why there are half-baked knowledge out there. Cut the losses, and the losses should be the losses you're okay to lose. This is the important fact. Learn this shit. And most importantly, before you execute your trade, before you hit the buy order, be very careful about the lot sizing, because you can add lots once the trade goes into your favor. You cannot add lots with the stop loss that is twice the amount of stop loss that you had with a single lot, or with your usual lot. That increases your stop loss, and also it increases the amount of stop loss or loss you can take for a day, and that ultimately results for you, if you abide by the rule, you will have to take less trades for the day. So do the lot sizing very carefully. I would recommend once the trade goes into your favor, once the trend goes into your favor, you can add when there is a rest or retrace. And that's how, my friend, you stop overtrading. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and if you want me to make more such videos on trading psychology, because this channel is all about the trading psychology. That is 80% of what you need to be a good trader. 20% is your strategy, and that strategies you're gonna find it all over the YouTube. I'm not there for strategies, I'm here for the psychology. So that's it. Have a good time. Bye.